Hello everyone. The question states that the correct set of the quantum numbers for the last electron of the sodium ion is this. So they have given you the four options. You have to consider the right option. So let's start with this. So when you talk about the sodium, okay, we know that 11 electron it possesses. It will be 1, 8, 1. But the electronic configuration will be considered as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. But whenever the sodium is going to lose one electron, it will going to form the sodium ion. And here we talk about the sodium ion. So this electron which is found in a 3s1 is going to loss of electron. Okay, so once it loses, the electronic configuration become right now 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So last electron enters into the second orbit. So our principal quantum number n is equal to 2. Then azimuthal quantum number that represented by the L is equal to n minus 1. That is 2 minus 1. Our answer is what? 1. So L is what? 1 right now in front of us. Now let's talk about the magnetic quantum number, which is plus of minus of L. So that will give the set of number that is plus of minus 1. That is the set of number will be minus 1, 0 and plus 1. And the last but not the least, that is a spin quantum number. It's going to represented by plus of minus half. But let's concentrate over here. It is a 2p6. How many electrons are there? 6 electron will be there. So let's talk about in this manner. So in this every electron box is filled. So they are pair electron, and we're talking about this electron. Okay, as they are paired, so this s value will consider as a minus half. So we got the value and let's discuss it. So like 2 in the option D, it clearly indicate that the principal quantum number is a 2. Among L values 1, 0 is among the magnetic quantum number, and half is with the spin quantum number. So our answer is D. I hope you got your answer. Thank you.